In the USA, every year consumers buy $200 billion worth of meat. The total vegetarian market is just $500 million. That's 0.25%. The good news is that the market for plant-based food is growing, but it's growing too slow. Global meat production is still increasing every year. So how can we find more solutions to maintain meat consumption at the current levels, or even reduce meat production gradually? Well, we have this idea. Why not mix meat and vegetarian? Our products are specially developed for such a mix. If all Americans would eat 10% of our plant-based products in hamburgers and meatballs, we would not only sell $500 million worth of vegetarian food, but another $10 billion of plant-based material within meat products. That's a lot of animals. And it's dead easy, using our ready-to-use products, made from natural whole food grains or beans, GMO-free, clean label, and better for the environment. And our products have a clean taste, so you can use higher percentages in existing recipes without influencing taste whatsoever. Try it. We guarantee you will not taste the difference.